Right, hello everyone. Just a quick video just detailing my recent good and bad experience with these car battery jump starter packs. Basically, a short while ago I bought this yellow one from Euro Car Parts, and I found it to be very poor. These come with a built-in compressor. Now, first of all, the compressor on it was just ridiculously slow and ridiculously noisy, and secondly, and more importantly, it was just not very good at starting cars. It's pretty much hopeless, in fact. In fact, it was so bad that I actually took it back to Euro Car Parts and got my money back. Hence, I can't actually show you the actual thing itself. That's why we're looking at this picture of it on the computer I've got here. So anyway, so I took that back and I replaced it with this one, which I got from Machine Mart. It's branded Clark, which is, I believe, is Machine Mart's own brand. And this one is that, even though it actually looks in terms of its shape similar to the one from Euro Car Parts, this is definitely much better. For a start, the compressor is much faster and quieter. I mean, it's still slow compared to the kind of compressors you get in petrol stations and stuff, but it's compared to that yellow one, compressor on this is definitely much faster and quieter, and much more importantly, it's much better at starting cars. And actually, I probably should have done this before I bought the yellow one, but I hadn't. But after I had the trouble with it and I replaced it for this one, I kind of looked into it a bit more, and what I found out is that this yellow one from Euro Car Parts actually only has a 12 amp hour battery inside it, whereas this black one from Machine Mart has an 18 amp hour battery. And I'm guessing that's really what makes the difference, the higher battery capacity. So if you're shopping for one of these like this one, I'd certainly be happy to recommend. I mean, admittedly, this is twice the price. That one was about just over £40. This one was about just under 90, 88 or something. So this is twice the price, but it does the job. So I'd be happy to recommend this one. Otherwise, just at least sort of check the battery capacity. I would say for your average car here in the UK, that 12 amp hour battery is certainly not big enough on that one, but this 18 amp hour one seems to be. So anyway, that's it. Just a short little video, just in case it helps anybody shopping for one of these at the moment. Hope that's helpful.